What if one AI could write YouTube scripts, build websites, create games, help with coding, and even answer complex questions, all in one place? That's exactly what Claude AI can do, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to ByteSpark. On this channel, we explore the latest AI tools and technology to help you save time and get more done. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. This is the Claude AI homepage. Everything starts with this prompt box. You simply tell Claude what you want, and it does the hard work for you. You can also upload files, choose a model, and work on almost anything from writing to coding. Now let's see what it can actually do. Instead of asking Claude a simple question, let's challenge it to build an entire web application. I'm going to ask it to create a modern to-do list app. Notice that I'm only describing what I want. I'm not writing any code at all. And there it is. In just a few seconds, Claude has created a complete working web app. Let's test it. I'll add a new task. Now I'll mark it as completed, and finally, I'll delete it. Everything works exactly like a real application. That's pretty impressive. Now let's make it even better. Instead of starting over, I'll simply ask Claude to add more advanced features. A few seconds later, the app is upgraded with new functionality, like task priorities, due dates, local storage, and an even better design. This is one of the biggest advantages of Claude. You can keep improving your project with simple follow-up prompts. Now let's try something even more exciting. Can Claude build a real game? Let's find out. I'll ask it to create a modern snake game. And once again, Claude generates everything from a single prompt. Now let's play it. The controls work perfectly, the score updates in real time, and the game is fully playable. That's amazing. Let's make the game even better. I'll ask Claude to add sound effects, a high score system, smoother animations, and a few extra gameplay features. And just like that, the game becomes even more polished without rebuilding it from scratch. Claude isn't just useful for coding, it's also a fantastic tool for content creators. For example, I can ask it to write a complete YouTube video script. Within seconds, it creates the hook, introduction, main content, and even the ending. But that's not all. I can also ask Claude to improve the hook, suggest B-roll ideas, and make the script more engaging for viewers. Finally, let's look at another everyday use case: writing professional emails. Whether you're applying for a job, contacting a client, or sending a business proposal, Claude can create a clear and professional email in seconds. And if you want a different tone, you can simply ask Claude to rewrite it without starting from scratch. As you've seen, Claude AI can build websites, create games, write emails, generate YouTube scripts, and help with so much more. These are just a few of its powerful features, and there are many more to explore. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ByteSpark for more AI tutorials every week.